Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, leather-appointed front seat trim, seats, front bucket, GVWR, 9,500 pounds, 4,309 kilograms, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Interior Plus package, convenience package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, rear vision camera, Z71 appearance package, suspension package, off-road and the trailering equipment, heavy duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.